So, as most of you know, these Four Seasons, they did not come in 3-speed. They were not featured in the catalog. They're uncommon. So the deal is behind these, so this is from 1989 if you saw the serial number. You could custom order these in 3-speed models. You could have the 3-speed board put in there instead of the IntelliTouch board. I don't think... These are definitely the most common of the 3-speed custom ones. I don't know how many others have been found in the other finishes, but I do know that these are the most common. But this is still pretty rare. 3-speed factory Four Seasons. And I did put a longer pull chain on it because the one that's on there right now is pretty short. It was almost like it was cut. Like, it's very short. And I tried my best to get the blades back into alignment as best as I could. It's not perfect. You'll notice there's going to be some wobble on high. And I didn't want to do it a lot because I don't want to have to buy a set of 4 when, say, I only need 1 if one of them happens to break, and that hasn't happened yet, so, and it's not going to happen because I'm not going to mess with it anymore. But you'll notice that some of the, if you look there, like 1 or 2 of the blades is out of clock. What I am going to do is, after this video is over, I am going to take one of them off for that video and also just leave it up here with 4 blades, since I really, really like 4 blades on fans. It's just so much better looking. It's more attractive, it's more effective, and it's what these fans had originally before 1988. 4 blades is just better in every way. Let's be real here. I mean, there is no 5-blade fan that can put out as much air as a 4-blade fan. There's no way. And I'm not saying that because, you know, I like 4 blades more. It's just factual. 4 blades has more space in between the blades, which pushes out more air. The more space, the more air gets pushed out. But if you space it out too much with, say, 2 blades, that's too much space and it won't be as much. Like 3 and 4 blades is what puts out the most air. That's why so many industrials are 3 blades. This fan, like everything else on my ceiling right now, came from the Russian Fazbear. And that's it.